Welcome to the WBG formula. Questions that close every deal. Master the art of asking, and you will master the art of closing. Train like a champion. Most salespeople lose the deal before they ever show a car. The deal is won or lost in the first 3 minutes on the lot. Questions are not small talk. They are your most powerful closing tool. You cannot close what you never opened. Every customer walks in somewhere on the buying funnel. Your job is to find out where. Are they wide open and easy to guide, or niched down and ready to buy today? Knowing where they are changes everything about your approach. Wide open buyers are easy to close, if you ask the right questions. One question tells you everything you need to know. Have you actually taken one out for a spin yet? It is the most underused question on the lot. If they say no, they are wide open. Guide them to any vehicle. If they say yes, ask how it drove, what they loved, and listen deeply. Their answer tells you exactly which road to take. Next, you need the courage to ask the question no other salesperson had the guts to ask. Why haven't you bought one yet? This surfaces the hidden objection before it becomes a closing problem. Most salespeople are afraid to ask, and that fear costs them the deal every single time. Surface the objection. Win the deal. Set up the trade-in win before you ever touch the numbers. Ask about maintenance history early. If they spent money on it, write it down. That becomes your ammunition to justify top dollar. If they spent nothing, ask what needs fixing. That becomes your reconditioning leverage. Gather the intel early. Win the negotiation later. Speak with confident, closing energy, like a champion who already knows how the deal ends. Every question you asked early becomes a closing weapon later. When they say the trade-in offer is too low, you already have the answer. You don't argue the trade. You justify the decision. The close was set up in the first 3 minutes. Now, you are just collecting. Here are the 5 questions every champion asks on the lot. 1. Have you driven one yet? 2. How did it drive? 3. Why haven't you bought yet? 4. What have you done to it? 5. What would need to be done to sell it to your sister? 5 questions, 1 formula, unlimited closes. Every champion on the lot follows this checklist every single time. Identify where the customer is on the buying funnel. Ask if they have driven one yet. Ask why they haven't bought. Gather the trade-in intel before touching numbers. And use every answer as ammunition at the closing table. Champions don't wing it. They follow the formula. Train like a champion. Close like a champion. Your next level starts at WBGacademy.org, where champions are built.